Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making mumbo sauce. For our ingredients, we have 1 cup of ketchup, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. You want to combine all ingredients in a small saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly for about 10 minutes until sauce has thickened. Allow sauce to cool before using or serve warm. If you would like to refrigerate it, cool for an hour, then transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it up to 2 weeks. Bring to room temperature before serving.